Hi guys, it's Rob here with another Python tutorial, and today we're going to be going over how to write modularized functions in Python. Now, what is a modularized function? Well, let's see, what is modular code? So what modular means, okay, and you'll hear, with this term, you'll hear things like encapsulation, right? But basically, what I'm trying to teach you guys to do is to write general, non-specific functions to solve a given problem. So let's say the problem at hand is taking in some sort of list, finding one of those elements in the list, right? So let's say element 0, element 1, element 2. And we want to find one of those elements and return the given element, right? Well, there's two approaches we could take. One is we hard code in the list that we want to find and we return a value. Or the other is we write a general, non-specific solution to a problem. Solution. We want to do choice B here. Write a general, non-specific solution, because once we have a general function, we could use that on all other similar problems. And essentially, that's what you want to do as a computer programmer, a computer scientist. You know, your job as a programmer is to write general code that can be reused. And that's a key concept here. We want to be able to reuse code. When you're able to reuse code, that saves you so much time. If you could write one function that could solve the same problem 10 times for you, it will save you time as opposed to writing 10 functions to each solve the same problem on that specific instance of the problem. Well, how do we do this? Well, let's say we're defining a function in Python. So def, and then I'll just put fn for function name here. And then we have, parameter 1, which is p1, parameter 2. Let's say p1 is a string. And let's say p2 is a list. Well, in this code somewhere, and if we have to split this string, let's say, we would do, let's say, v1 for variable 1 equals p1 dot split. See, now if the string we're dealing with is Rob, right, then, actually, you know what? The string we're dealing with, it'll be two words. Let's say pizza sauce. We're dealing with the string pizza sauce. Right? So as you can tell here, there's a blank space here. So we want to split this now into a list that'll look like this. Pizza, comma, sauce. See? So basically, what we want to do here is we want to use p1.split. Now, some people, okay, let's say we had v equals pizza sauce. Some people I've seen in one of the courses that I'm TAing would do v1 equals v.split. This is wrong because our variable in this instance is v. But what if we have another variable f that is something and we want to split that? Now we have to rewrite this and put f instead of v. But what I'm saying is forget this. Here, let me change it to red. Forget this methodology. Don't do this. This is not good. Not good. Right? What we want to do here, let me change it to green now to show you what to do. In green, we would do v1 equals p1 dot split. And then for any time we had a new string, we would pass it in as the parameter of this function. So now every time this function's called, we would just have to put the string here, and it would automatically do this operation. So we're using p1. Remember, this is the parameter. Call your methods on your parameters inside of a function, not on the specific case that you're using. So remember, guys, this right here is the key concept of today. When we want to write modular encapsulated code where it's general, where a function is general, and a function is reusable, we want to define it in this way, where when we're calling methods to perform certain tasks, we're calling them on the parameters and not on the specific variable instances. And that's about it for today, guys. I guess I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.